Hi guys, today we are going to be holding the mic like this. Yes, we are going to be holding the mic like this. I love it. Hi guys, welcome to the Kitchen Legacy, where I get to cook 328 recipe, and one of the recipes today that we are making is fish stew. So last week was fried fish, and this week is fried fish stew. Yes, that's what we are making today. So this has a bit of twist in it. This has garden egg in it. And once again, you are welcome to another episode. So let's go and check out all the ingredients that we need to use to make our fried fish stew. Come on, come along, come. Let's go. For the ingredients, we are going to be needing 3 garden eggs, 70 ml of cooking oil, a little tomato paste, 250 ml of water or stock, 500 gram of fresh fish, but I'm using panla for this, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion. I'm using 2 onion because my onion is quite small. Seasoned flour. The flour, I'm going to be adding a bit of Mama Dora seasoning to it, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 dessert spoon of flour. So that's all the ingredients that we are going to need to make this fish stew. Same process that we used to make the fried fish, the same way you are going to add your flour, cut it in flour and fry it. But instead of you making like the tomato sauce that we made last week, this time around we're still going to make the tomato sauce, but we're going to be adding garden egg to it, and we're going to do like a roux. You guys are going to see everything that we're going to do. So the same process that we did last week for the fish and fried fish, this is the same process that we're going to still do in this fish stew. So you're going to coat your fish in flour. Then once the oil is hot, you're going to fry the fish and reduce your heat a bit so that the fish can really fry and slowly cook. So the inside is not half done. The entire fish is well prepared and it's well done. So you're just going to drop each piece of your fish inside the hot oil. Don't forget to reduce it. Fry on either side until it's well cooked and brown. So while the fish is frying, we are going to prepare our vegetables, which is the garden egg. So we are just going to dice the garden egg into smaller bits so that it can cook properly, in our soup or our stew. So we are just going to cut it into little bits. So once your fish is completely fried, it's brown on the outside and it's well cooked, it's time for us to cook our flour. So get yourself a pot or a saucepan or whatever you are using, and you just want to cook the flour and keep stirring. So you just want to continue stirring and just to cook the flour so it doesn't taste like flour basically. And I kind of made a mistake here by using this little clay pot in making it. So I thought everything was going to fit perfectly, which I was totally wrong, and I had to switch the clay pot to a normal bigger pot to cook it, because I realized that the vegetables were so much, and by the time you added water, this small clay pot wasn't going to make it work. It wasn't going to cook it, so I swapped to a bigger pot. So just make sure that you're using a bigger pot and you're not like me that will make use of this small pot in cooking. So yes, I'm just adding my vegetables now. I'm adding my garden egg at this initial point, at this stage, so everything can actually cook together. So the flour is already cooked because we cooked it in oil. So but the tomatoes can really blend really well with the garden egg. So we just want to cook everything. So you're adding everything. So the tomatoes was blended with onion and pepper. Onion and pepper was added to it, and now you can see we've swapped to a bigger pot, a bigger clay pot, and I'm just adding the 250 ml of water because you want everything to really cook. You want the garden egg to be really cooked. I'm adding my tomato paste to this right now and just mixing everything and blending everything together, and I'm just going to cover my pot. It's time for us to season our fish stew. So we are going to be adding salt, and we are going to be adding a bit more pepper. And at this point, you can basically add any mixed spice that you have, maybe like a pinch of thyme. But I'm going to be using Mama Dora pasta spice because it has some oregano in it, it has thyme in it, it has like parsley and coriander and different herbs and spice combined together. So I'm just going to be using that combination of spice to like really elevate the flavor of this fish stew. So we're going to start adding our fish to this carefully. Carefully add your fish to it, and we are just going to continue to simmer until it's thick and the garden egg is soft but not broken. So we are just going to, remember not to turn your pot too much so that you don't get to break your fish. So just reduce the heat and just simmer this. Adjust for tasting. If the taste is not good enough, add some more salt, add some more pepper, and voila, your fish stew, it's ready for you to consume. So our fish stew is ready and it smells amazing. Addition to that, we added Mama Dora pasta spice, so it gives it a very, I can smell the oregano in this. It's amazing. It smells really good. So we are going to try it. But first of all, we are going to try the fish because I don't like garden egg. So and the sauce. Oh wow, fish is well seasoned. Amazing. The oregano or the spice from Mama Dora pasta spice just gave it a different flavor. This is a garden egg, so we want to try it. Really tender, really nice. Like I can stomach it on like the cabbage, boiled cabbage that tasted like this. I can eat, and I would love to try it with rice. Vegetable here is very I'm not really a fan of garden egg, but is this something I can eat? Yes. Garden egg is tender, it's not so hard, it's not so soft. It's melts in your mouth when you have it. The fish is well seasoned, the sauce is thick. It's really nice, guys. It's a really nice recipe, and I would like you guys to try it, and it's easy. Really easy. So thank you so much for joining our channel again. I can see all of you following us. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. I'll see you in our next video. So bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Yes, hi. How are you guys doing? Are you good? Today. Like that. Yes, sir. So